Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your earbuds Philips. To perform a hard reset you need to press and hold both of the touch controls. So press and then press and hold. Here we go, now these LED lights start flashing, so firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after a hard reset these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!